So for introduction, there is a very important concept in modern organizational management, which is total quality management, or simply known as the TQM. TQM is not just a technique or a policy, but a comprehensive management approach that aims to consistently improve quality across all areas of an organization. Total quality management focuses on customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and continuous improvement. It integrates strategy, data, and effective communication to build the continuous improvement of the quality of the product, services, and process within the organization. This means every level, department, and every function in the company contributes to quality improvement continuously and consistently. TKM built on three fundamental aspects. For the first one, in commitment to never-ending quality and service improvement. Second one is involvement of all team members working together as a one unit. And lastly, continuous improvement by identifying errors and eliminating them early. This value ensures that quality is not a one-time goal but a continuous journey.
I will talk about the importance of total quality management or TQM. TQM is all about making everything in organization better, from how we work to how we serve the customers. First, it helps improve product and services quality. With TQM, everyone works together to reduce mistakes, cut waste, and make sure we deliver high quality results. Second, TQM increases customer satisfaction. When customers get good services and quality product all the time, they trust us more and are likely to retain and tell others. Lastly, TQM helps the organization work more efficiently. It cuts down on delays and unnecessary costs by improving how we do things every day. That's why TQM is important for long-term success.
I will presenting on the topic of strong leadership in the context of total quality management or TQM. Strong leadership plays a vital role in guiding us and supporting a team to achieve the organization's quality goals. In TQM, strong leadership are the backbone of the success that help create a clear vision and set specific quality objective that everyone in the organization can work towards. A strong TQM leader does not just give instruction. Instead, they are communicate clearly, listen actively, and make decisions based on facts, not personal bias. This makes their leadership more fair and effective. For example, at Toyota, a global leader in TQM, top management practice the concept of Kaizen, which means continuous improvements. They involve employee in decision making, encourage quality checks, and support innovation and training. This kind of leadership creates a strong culture of teamwork and responsibility.
Next is customer focus. This principle emphasizes the need for organizations to truly understand the needs and expectations of both current and future customers. By identifying these needs, companies can direct their process to deliver high quality and valuable product or services. Why is customer satisfaction so important? There are two main reasons. First, it helps companies understand if they are doing the right things for their customer, and second, whether they are doing things in the right way. To achieve this, company must actively conduct research, survey, and analyze feedback. The process can be directed to produce the desired product or services. A great example of a customer in action can be seen in Maybank Malaysia. Maybank developed the MAE app, a digital super app and e-wallet to serve both younger and older users, especially during festive seasons like Hari Raya. The app features tools such as e-Duit Raya help users send festive money conveniently. This shows how Maybank understood its customer cultural habits and create a solution that adds value to their everyday life. But Maybank didn't stop there. They recognized that not all merchants bank the same way. Young users prefer digital banking, while older customers may still rely on the traditional service. So they designed the MAE app to cater both type of user, blending convenience, traditional, and technology. By doing this, Maybank not only enhanced user experience but also approved their commitment to a customer-focused philosophy.
3.3 is employee involvement. Every employee is participating in work and project in order to achieve their goals. How employees get involved? All employees must be cooperative and lend a hand with one another employees. Also, managers should lead and motivate all employees. The benefit from the employee involvement, the first one is enhanced engagement. Employee will feel more connected to other employees because the communication happen between the teamwork. And the second one is improve the job satisfaction. All employees should be trained to spot defect, improve quality, and be offered by rewarding them.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adam and I will explain Kaizen, continuous improvement. Kaizen basically means always trying to improve. It's a Japanese word. Kai means change and Zen means good. So together it means change for the better. It's something a lot of companies use, like Toyota, to get better at what they do. The idea is simple, make small improvement every day. And it's not just the bosses, everyone in the company from managers to workers should be involved. When everyone helps spot problems and find ways to fix them, the whole system runs smoother and more efficiently. Kaizen also look at the big picture, like if someone on the production line sees something wrong, they are encouraged to speak up so it can be fixed early, before it causes bigger issue. There are a few key things in Kaizen. First, know what the customer wants. Second, make the process smooth and remove anything that slows it down. Third, go and see where the actual work is happening. Fourth, support your workers so they can share ideas. And lastly, be clear about goals so you know what's improving. There's also a simple cycle called PDCA in Kaizen continuous improvement. First, plan, do, check, and act. First, you find a problem and plan how to fix it. Then test the idea. check the result, and if it works, apply it more widely. So overall, Kaizen is not just about fixing stuff, it's about always trying to do better little by little every day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alia and I'll be explaining the process-centered approach in total quality management. So this approach focuses on improving the step or processes in an organization to make sure the product and the services are high quality and meet the customer needs. Instead of just looking at the final product, this method sees quality as the good result of good processes. So how does it work? So first, the organization studies and understands every step in its workflow. Then with the help of employees at all levels, they find a way to improve these steps, like reducing errors, saving time and making things easier for the customer. This benefit of this method, like fewer mistakes and faster work, better decision and higher customer satisfaction, is also help the company use resources wisely and be more flexible in a changing world. So a good example is Maybank's online banking system. They improve their processes by making transactions faster and the system more reliable, and the design are easier to use. This shows that they care about the customer experience and quality services. So the process-centered approach help organizations work better and stay competitive.
Next requirement is effective communication. Effective communication is the process where the sender's message is clearly understood by the recipient. To achieve mutual understanding and organizational goals, message must be clear, actionable, and consistently high quality. This builds a culture of excellence and commitment within the organization. Benefits of effective communication is facilitating understanding across all organizational levels. When communication is clear and transparent, everyone will get a clear message about quality goals, which can encourage cooperation and coordination. This way, inconsistencies and mistakes can be reduced. Moreover, it can motivate employees. A sense of ownership and involvement is fostered when management engage employees through teamwork, training, and feedback mechanism. This way, employees' morals can be enhanced and help to build organizational culture that prioritize quality that support continuous improvement. One of the example can be seen in company like Google, where they use Thank God It's Friday meetings. This meeting used for open discussion between management and employees from various departments come together and exchange update, ask questions, and give feedback. The consistencies of this meeting helps to build confidence and reliable communication within the company, which make employees feel heard and valued.
One big problem with keeping TKM going in a company is when the top management isn't really committed. Like, if the CEO or the other higher up leader don't fully support it, the whole thing can fall apart. This usually happens because they don't really understand what TKM is about. When leaders are not clear on it, they don't talk properly with staff, and they don't get involved. They don't get involved in what is going on, so the rest of the company doesn't take it seriously either. And that's what it made it really hard for TKM to work well.
The second challenge to maintain total quality management in organization is ineffective communication. Ineffective communication will lead to uneasy environment for the employees to speak up, and the employee will have the negative attitude such as not willing to talk or listen to the other employee.
In conclusion, successful TQM requires strong leadership, clear customer focus, employee involvement, continuous improvement, process-centered approach, and effective communication. Quality is continuous journey involving everyone in the organization. Challenges like lack of commitment and poor communication must be managed with consistent effort and transparency. By aligning all employees toward quality goals, organization gain competitive advantage, customer loyalty, and improve operation. A good process management system also help reduce cost and environmental impact.